Have you ever found yourself pondering over the existence of dragons? These majestic creatures that have claimed a significant pedestal in various cultures and legends throughout history, do they hold any semblance to reality, or are they simply figments of our collective imagination? The mythical descriptions of dragons paint them as grandiose beings, powerful and awe-inspiring. They are often described as having enormous bodies, wings that blot out the sun, and breath of fire or ice. Dragons are depicted in various forms, from the serpentine dragons of Eastern mythology to the winged, fire-breathing behemoths of Western lore. They have been revered, feared, and worshipped, playing pivotal roles in shaping the collective imagination of societies throughout history. Contrast this with the scientific perspective. From a biological standpoint, the existence of such creatures seems implausible. The sheer size and weight of a dragon, as commonly depicted, would render flight impossible. Furthermore, no known living creature possesses the ability to breathe fire or ice. Yet, there's no shortage of evidence that points to the possibility of dragon-like creatures having once roamed the Earth. Fossil records and paleontological findings have uncovered the existence of creatures that bear a striking resemblance to the dragons of legend. Dinosaurs, like the Tyrannosaurus rex and the Triceratops, could very well have been the real-life counterparts to mythical dragons. Moreover, the existence of dragons might have been inspired by the discovery of these large dinosaur fossils or the exaggeration of real reptiles in ancient times. The Komodo dragon, the largest living species of lizard, is a testament to this theory. Dragons also bear a significant psychological and symbolic significance in human culture and literature. They are often representative of chaos, destruction, wisdom, or power, depending on the culture and context. This exploration into the world of dragons uncovers a complex tapestry of mythology, history, science, and psychology. From the mythical descriptions of dragons and their cultural significance, to the scientific perspectives on their existence and the potential inspirations behind the creation of dragon myths. The dragon is a creature that has fascinated and inspired humanity for centuries. Yet, the question remains, are dragons purely products of human imagination, or might there be undiscovered truths behind the legends? The existence of dragons, it seems, is a mystery that continues to captivate us, an enigma that is open to interpretation and speculation. As we delve deeper into the realms of knowledge and discovery, one can only wonder what secrets are yet to be unveiled. So the next time you gaze upon the night sky, let your imagination soar. Who knows? You just might spot a dragon.